guys, and welcome to this video. I have a super cute haul for you, and I'm gonna do a little try on of the majority of the items that I have here. These are all pieces from the latest collection, with the exception of one item that was on sale. Let's have a sip of coffee first, and maybe just moisturize my lips a little bit. Today I've gone for a vibrant red lipstick. This is a Petal Bouche from Violette's brand. It's a French makeup artist that I love. I ordered it as soon as it became available, and have to say that actually, let me bring it and I want to show you. One moment. So voila, this is the product. Violette FR is also the name of the brand, and that's her Instagram account as well. French makeup artist, very beautiful and unique approach to makeup. Some things that she does are a little bit too bold for me, but I am team red lipstick. So as I said, this was the very first product that she produced, because I think after that there is another Petal Bouche lipstick. The wand of the first product, it's a little bit tricky, but I think the one has been improved since I purchased this. I would highly recommend to check out her Instagram and also her website for some, you know, French inspiration. I love all things French. You might know that if you are regulars in this channel, and if you are new here, welcome. And my name is Helen, and let me give you a little update of life before we dive into the COS items. I've been enjoying myself a lot this week. Have a week off of work, and this was the perfect chance and opportunity for me to really relax, but also focus and work non-stop on my YouTube channel. I cannot tell you how much I've been enjoying communicating with you guys, and I want to say a big thank you to everyone who has been supporting, meaning watching my channel, my videos, commenting, liking everything I put out there. It means the world to me. Otherwise, I guess there's no point in doing it, you know, if no one is watching you, if no one likes what you do, etc, etc. So big thank you. This week I've also taken some time off to, you know, just walk aimlessly around the city, clear my head, clear my thoughts, just take in all the beauty around me. It's so important to do that as often as you can, because I think mentally it is so helpful, and it's just something so simple to do. So my aim for this week was to visit my local library and sign up. So I did, and I borrowed my first book that I'm currently reading, A Fatal Crossing, it's called, from Tom Hindle. Really good. And actually the other night I also started watching a Spanish series on Netflix. That topic is a little bit similar. It's called High Seas. Go and check it out. It might not be your vibe, but I really liked it, so I just wanted to give it a shout out. I'm also reading one of my books, which is Colette's Chérie and the Last of Chérie. I love Colette's books. Again, a little bit of a French vibe there. So enough about you know, life and books. Let's start unboxing this box that I have next to me. Okay, I'm going to start with the item that was on sale and matches the grey COS wool sweater that I've got. if you remember, or if in case you haven't seen in a previous COS haul, I ordered size extra small because I wanted to see if it would fit. It didn't, let me tell you that. And I ordered again size small. I also have this skirt in black. It's absolutely stunning, so easy to wear, comfortable. It's super warm. I love the length of it. It's not a long one, but it's not a mini, it's a midi, so in between, so long enough for me and my, you know, aesthetic. Level of comfort 100%, and at the same time it shows a little bit of skin, unless you wear, of course, a pair of boots and then you just cover yourself up. Size small. I was super happy that I got it on sale because I got the black one full price, and as I said, this matches the grey sweater that I've been wearing non-stop ever since I purchased it. And some of you who follow me or have checked my Instagram have been messaging me every time I post a story wearing the sweater, just spotting it. Yeah, you've also mentioned that you've purchased it as well, so really good purchases, the skirt and the sweater as well. Next up, actually I have one pair here because the other one that I'm keeping, I've already worn it. I really wanted a nice pair of white jeans, simple, high rise, ankle length, because they are suitable for my height. I'm 160 centimeters for reference, and my size in most COS jeans is 27. I've also ordered size 26 of these tapered high-rise ankle length jeans, but 26 is too small, so 27 is my size. And as I've said, I've already worn them out and about. I love the color. It is off-white-ish, and the last time I purchased a pair of white jeans, I think I had purchased the arch ones, but I want to get again. I had to return them because they were a little bit dirty and I wasn't happy keeping them like that, in all honesty. So happy with this. I think it's the perfect pair of jeans for spring time, spring weather, because I want to put a little bit of color in my wardrobe. I love wearing dark clothes, you know, the grays, the blacks, but I want some brightness. And hence I'm wearing my white H&M shirt today, and I think I'm super happy with this. I will wear them so much. Now talking about brightness, I'm going to show you a black piece from this haul. So it's this cardigan from the new collection. When I saw it in the stripy version, I fell in love, but then when I noticed that the pockets were white, the whole look seemed a little bit weird to me. I wanted the stripes to go everywhere and not just have the white pockets. Hence I decided to order the black version of this cardigan, because it felt, I don't know, more put together for me. And this is it. It's beautiful, it's super warm, it's wool, of course. It comes with pockets as well, but it's all black, so you cannot tell the pockets. It has 5 buttons in the front, and I want to show you. I'm always a little bit obsessed with buttons. Really nice buttons, these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons, yes indeed. And I like that it is round and it goes high up. So it is a cardigan, but it gives you jacket vibes, little black jacket vibes. I've tried it on and I have to say I really wanted to fall in love and keep it. The only thing I didn't like was that it felt too short. I wanted it to be a few centimeters longer. So I was really disappointed because I am in search of a black cardigan. I used to have one from COS, for anyone who remembers, But when I got on holiday in Greece a couple of months ago, my mom saw the cardi and she really loved it. And I said to her, "You can keep it." She said, "No, no, no, I don't want to take it from you." And then I was a little bit sneaky. The day that we left, I folded the cardigan and I put it in one of her wardrobes. And when we drove off, I sent her a text and said, "Mom, just check that wardrobe. I've left something for you." And I have left the cardigan for her because she really liked it, and it fitted like a glove. So I was hoping to keep this one, but no, I wanted it slightly longer, but I loved the round neck. The one that I gave to my mom had a V-neck. I feel that the round neck looks a little bit more stylish, less casual than the V-neck, and it gives that jacket effect that I really like. It makes an outfit a little bit more put together, if you know what I mean. Now let's move to the hero piece of this haul. I fell in love with this jacket the moment I saw it in the store first. It comes in 3 colors: off-white, black, and I believe gray. I didn't order it in black. I ordered the off-white version. It's so beautiful. It has such a warm, oops, there is a little spot here. There are always some quality issues, I have to say. Oh well, yeah. Okay, so this is the jacket. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons this time. It has a round neck. It is size small for your reference. And the first time I tried it on, I thought, oh gosh, it is too short. But then I tried it again and again. I styled it with some pieces from my wardrobe, and I decided to keep it because it's just too good to return. The sleeves are a little bit long, but you can fold them if you want. And I love the fact that it has invincible pockets. So lovely. The pockets are also lined, and I really, really like it. It is the priciest, one of the priciest items in the haul, but I think it's just worth the money. It also comes with this little detail, so it's easy for you to hang it. So you don't, mark your jacket when you order it. I'm really annoyed with the little defect that it has. I wanted to show you, but I don't think it will show that much on the video. So now I have to think of whether to keep this one or I'll just go and order a new one. I think it's such a staple, this jacket, perfect for the transitional weather from winter going into spring. Lightweight, warm enough. The color is chef's kiss. You can style it with anything: jeans, high-waisted jeans, trousers, dresses, skirts as well, long skirts. It's beautiful. And now moving on to the next item. It's a pair of shoes. It's the first time that I order shoes from COS. If you have purchased any shoes from COS, please leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on the quality and how you have felt the shoes. I ordered this Mary Janes that every time I was going in the shop, my local shop, they were out of stock. And a little tip for you, one of the girls, she said, when I was inquiring about them, she said that they come small, so not true, no, small, yes, small, so they're not true to size. And instead of ordering my normal size, which is 36, I ordered 37. But I have to say, they came with some signs of wear from, you can see, from a previous buyer. And I'm not quite sure. I think they are too flat here, and I feel like the moment you'll start wearing them, you'll just destroy them. I'd like this to be a little bit thicker so it protects this area of the shoe when you walk. However, you can see the heel is like half centimeter or so. I love how it closes here. The leather is super, super soft, smells so good. They are made in India, if that matters, and they give you, you know, this vibe from the raw alaya, all that jazz. But I wasn't completely sold on this, hence I haven't removed the paper to try them on. I've tried on size 38 in the store, um, but yeah, I'm not completely sold. So yeah, I have to think about this a little bit more. And the last item, if I'm not wrong, in this haul is a bag. It's a brand new bag from the new collection. I saw it. Where did I see it first? I think on the website as I was browsing. I hadn't seen it in the store, and I've been quite a few times this week that I'm off. I have to say, you know, just killing time browsing at COS and all that. I liked the shape of it, but I don't know if it fits my style. First of all, quality wise, it's very good. The leather is very sturdy. It looks more expensive. It comes with a long strap that is adjustable because you can see it has a few holes here. It smells so good. So we can see here this detail like Bottega Veneta bags, and over here it's completely smooth. It came with a few scratches, I have to say, even though it was beautifully wrapped and separate from the other items in the box. But yeah, I'm not sure. However, the leather feels very, very soft, and it's soft. Yeah, it's very soft to the touch. I don't know. I don't know if this, you know, I don't know if this shape is very flattering. But I wanted to see it up and close and just have an opinion after I see it and try to put it on my body just to try and imagine it. So the bag is going back, but I have kept, oh, you can see the bag. You can see this bag from my latest haul. This was on sale. Super happy. I haven't taken her out yet, but I've styled the bag with some outfits for some little videos I've put together this week. And I'm really happy with this purchase. And of course, my all-time favorite COS bag is the summer one, the black one that I got last year, and I might take it with me in my upcoming holiday. I'm going somewhere soon, and even though it's not very comfortable to carry that bag because it doesn't have a long strap, so you have to carry it like that or like that. I think it's the perfect holiday bag, so I might pack it. And I also might do a little pack with me for beep 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 beep, you'll see video. I don't know, stay tuned and watch this space. In the meantime, that's all from me with this COS haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts. Have you purchased anything from the new collection? I'm really looking forward to the new spring collection. But I have to be a little bit considerate. I don't want to go, you know, crazy ordering lots of stuff, but whatever catches my eye, rest assured that I will pick it up and I'll present it over here on the channel so we can have a little chat and discussion about all things COS. In the meantime, take care of yourselves. Thank you for tuning in and supporting my channel by watching this video. Like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed and if you have enjoyed, the most important thing, this content, feel free to subscribe for more videos like that. A big kiss to all of you guys. Ciao, ciao.